In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Australia to India. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I want to showcase a very easy way to transfer money if you are in Australia or you want to transfer in Australian dollars to someone residing in India. You will be able to do this by using Western Union. There are other services which give you the same exact option of transferring money, but Western Union is going to be the one that I selected for this video. So to use it, you either download the mobile app through the App Store or the Google Play Store, or you visit the website at westernunion.com. In here, click the option to register. It is free to create an account, and you will be able to select the amount of AUD that you want to send. So for example, 1,000 AUD. And you can select Indian rupees, and then you can double check the amount. If you include the amount in Indian rupee, it should also update it in Australian dollars later. Then once you click get started, you will be redirected to this page where you can continue the process. So make sure that you choose the receiver's country and send amount, so it should be India. Then you can input the amount in USD, AUD, whatever currency you are using. For me, it says USD, but of course it is going to work with AUD, don't worry. And you can double check the amount. As I've said before, if you include the amount in rupees, it is going to update the amount that you will be sending in the currency that you selected. So you can either include the amount that you want to send or the amount that you want the person to receive. Afterwards, they will be able to select between cash pickup or bank account to receive that money, and you can choose how you want to pay for this transfer. Be aware of any included fees. Depending on the option that you pick, there will be a fee. So for example, credit card will have 1.46 USD as fee for this particular transaction, and as long as you select a valid payment method, you continue. Make sure that you read through all of this, you accept the terms, you will be able to input all of the necessary information. You can also transfer to yourself if you prefer, but either way, you will have to include bank name, account number, and confirm everything to initiate the transfer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Australia to India. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.